just working up here. Not illegal or anything. These aren't really made for walking on, I guess. So, anyways, had to replace this wire right here, cut it here, but that's a 12 wire. Had to be a 10 wire. So he's cutting that out right now, but there's the roll of wire. And we had to replace this wire right here. So there's a water heater. There's a water heater down there, so we had to put that in 10 wire. And then ran that wire up here along the wall, up into this box. So, and that goes back to the panel. And then there's a 12 wire that goes down to the plug. There's a plug right down below here, which that used to power up the plug, but now it's powered up through. Now it's powered up through here. So we're just trying to take this wire out, and yeah. So he's cutting a hole so we can pull that out, and I think that was it. So just living the dream, y'all. So yes. So he's got to cut a hole because he accidentally pulled it up too far. So he's got to be able to pull it back down, and then I need to be able to pull this wire out because it's not being used anymore. So yes, as you can see, it's right there. Alright, so I got this low voltage wire right there running all the way over to this transformer for like a doorbell for this garage door right here. I can zoom out. I got like a garage door here that's going outside to the switch outside for like a button for like a doorbell sorta. And then I'm taking that inside. I haven't finished it yet. This room right there. And then I'm holding this weird, but I did some plugs here. One there, one over there. Same on the other side. There's a couple on the other side over there, so I did those as well. And then there's a couple can trims in here, which I'll show you in a second. So these are what the can trims look like that I keep cutting my hands on. They're really crappy design. So there's one there, and I did a whole bunch of other ones. Cut my hand again, right there, freaking A. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully that was some content there for you, some time to watch, I guess. I don't know, hopefully that was long enough and enjoyable. Anyways, had some Carl's Jr. and I forgot to tell him to take off the onion and tomatoes, so smells so strong like onions here right now, so it's terrible. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. I think that was everything I wanted to say, besides the picture of drilling the hole for the little doorbell, and then working up in the attic, doing some plugs, and I know I'm missing something, but just doing a little bit of everything today, so hopefully I didn't miss anything. And people are still laying carpet in there, so I didn't get a chance to show you what I did yesterday in the bathroom. So anyways, I'll try to do that tomorrow, but the carpet people are just a bunch of turds, and they want to say, oh, you can't work in my area because I'm here, and they're like not even like on half of the floor or whatever. So anyways, it is what it is. So they probably just want to keep the floor clean, but if not, then it's totally ridiculous. But hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the comments. I haven't gone through all of them yet. I feel like I've read most of them, but I have to reply to all the rest of those. So thank you guys for the comments, and really cheered me up. So big shout out to Arkansas Dipper. Appreciate the message right when I woke up this morning. The first message I read, wish me a happy day, and keep up the good stuff. So thank you guys. I appreciate it. Glad you guys are enjoying the videos, and appreciate the comments. It really helps me out. So if you liked the video, please give it a like. I'd appreciate that. Subscribe if you want to see more content, or if you want to support me. I would greatly appreciate that. And don't forget to comment. I'd greatly appreciate that as well. Love hearing from you guys. So go ahead and do that. And I will see you guys later. Thanks so much. Peace out. Alright guys, one more thing, hopefully. Had a really good day. Basically the same circumstances as yesterday. I got like 5 hours of sleep or less. But it definitely, I don't know if it was just something bothering me the other day or what, but I don't know. Maybe just hanging out with friends really changes my mood. But just want to say thanks to all my friends out there, whether that is online, people watching, leaving comments, subscribers leaving comments, friends in real life, just hanging out and being there for me, having a good time, spending time together. Anyways, shout out to everyone. Really bringing up my mood, and appreciate that. You guys make a difference in my life tremendously. I just wanted to say thank you seriously for all the support. And I think that was everything. I already said I had a good day. So tomorrow, gonna finish the doorbell system with the chime and try to get those plugs finished. We'll see what else they got for me. But anyways, things are going great. I appreciate it, guys. I'm not sure if I said this already, but God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. And I will see you tomorrow. I already said that. I know that for sure. But thanks again, guys, for everything. I just want to say I appreciate it very much. And on the way to 1,000 subscribers. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe. I don't remember if I said all this already, but like and subscribe, and give away electrical tools at 1,000 subscribers, and a beard. I'm shaving my beard at 1,000 subscribers, and probably maybe get a haircut at 4,000 subscribers. So hair's gonna be here for a while unless you guys go crazy. I definitely want to grow my hair out, so we'll see how that goes. Also, I was just gonna say something I forgot. Yeah, it's not coming to me. All right, so coming up on 1,000 subscribers soon. I mean, I'm a couple months out, but I just want to say, if you guys want to achieve your goals, just start by making small steps every day. You're not gonna get things done overnight. It's taken me years to get to this point on my YouTube channel, but if you make small changes every day, you will get to where you want to go. So just keep that in mind. I want to give you guys support and encourage you guys to take the steps that you want in your life, and hopefully you guys get where you want, whether that's being an apprentice in electrical, or just doing stuff on YouTube, or just things in life that you want to change for your better, whether eating healthy or whatnot. It all starts with single steps, and when you look back, you'll realize how far you've become, and it's just a great feeling. And I know you guys are all part of my success, and I just want to say thanks for that, and for everything. You guys just help me get bigger and bigger, so appreciate that. And that's it, guys. Appreciate it. Love you guys so much. Peace out. Bye.